Want to stop seeing shorts on YouTube? Now you can hide them. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide shorts on the YouTube mobile app. Now let's get started. To hide shorts on YouTube, open the YouTube app on your smartphone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Time Management. At the bottom, tap the switch labeled Shorts Feed Limit. Then set the limit to 0 minutes. Once you enable this setting, you won't be able to scroll the Shorts feed, and short-form videos should disappear from your other feeds. Go back to the YouTube home screen and pull down from the top of your screen to refresh. Shorts will then be hidden from your YouTube app. You can go back and change this setting at any time to disable it, or set a time limit for how long you can scroll the Shorts feed per day. That's all it takes to hide shorts on YouTube. Want to exclude shorts from search results? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.